We have never packed that quickly. In 30 minutes we get picked up, taking the ferry to Koh Phi Phi. But first, having breakfast. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So, check out.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye. Okay, before we start today's vlog, two things right away. Number one, what was that for a crazy thunderstorm we had last night? We even had power blackout. I mean, Fabian and me were sitting in a bed at our computer and from 1 to the other second, pitch black. Honey, what has happened? Our electricity is gone. Except for the computer screens. And it's our pickup. Oh, okay. Let me get back to that. That was a 2-minute drive by bus to the pier, now taking the ferry. Here. This is already so complicated or not? So we now had to scan a QR code and fill in a vaccine profile for both of us. Vaccinated profile. Sadika.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, that was quick. So this QR code thing was to register your vaccine profile, and for the insurance, to make it easy for you, I will put it somewhere. I will put it right here. We are now boarding the ferry to Koh Phi Phi Island. Is it Koh Phi Phi or Koh Phi Phi? I always thought it's Koh Phi Phi, but everyone is saying it's Koh Phi Phi. Huh, I don't know. Oh, and if you're interested in, we paid for the ticket 450 baht, and we got picked up. What was already included in the price at our hotel. Huh. This is our upper deck here.
Nice camera.
Thank you, thank you.
And a very nice microphone. Line, 3 months.
And Cologne.
Cologne,
Ah,
yeah,
cool.
Cologne. Yeah, we are here. This is
So this is Suratani, right?
This is
Ah,
yes,
okay.
yes, here pink dolphins. Yesterday when I was cutting.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. Nice to meet you. Leon. Thank you, bro.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, this should be an appropriate place to talk a little bit. So, yes, we had a power blackout yesterday evening. I asked Fabian what sound that is, and she said it's the air conditioner. That was definitely not the air conditioner. However, second, since we started our world trip, the NFL is still ongoing, and the Rams made it to the conference championships against San Francisco. The game was yesterday, and I told Fabian that I can't do the island hopping thing, but you know how everything ended up, so we went island hopping, and the Rams won against San Francisco.
Donald got there in the air, intercepted by the Rams, and they may ride to the Super Bowl on that.
So they are in the Super Bowl. I mean, come on. The last time they won was 2000, 22 years ago. I definitely need to see the Super Bowl this year. Okay, now back to our 2-hour ferry ride. I probably took too many many time lapses, but I mean, come on, this view is crazy. Fresh air, the wind is blowing, the water, the ocean, clouds, sun, the rocks over there. Crazy, great view. Okay, so when we are in Koh Phi Phi and arrived there, to be honest, we booked the ferry yesterday evening, and once again we don't have an accommodation for Koh Phi Phi. This is, you know, this is what I meant by traveling can be very stressful. I really hate looking for accommodations. I just wanna arrive and just be there. I think that we have to book an accommodation now.
With us and enjoy holiday in Thailand. Thank you.
And we have arrived in paradise, Koh Phi Phi Island. But we don't have any accommodation yet. Thought we booked one on the boat, but we're already here. You see that? Crazy that is. Okay, this must be paradise on earth here. Thank you. So we had to pay 20 baht to get onto the island. I don't know if this was always the case, but maybe of COVID-19, I don't know. Honey, what is the plan now? Coffee. Coffee. So our plan is now to sit down at some place, have a coffee and make a plan. Because we don't have one. So we just walked into this hotel because it's so hot. Just sitting down and ask if they got a room free and if the price is okay. If it's too expensive, then we don't take it.
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Check.
Yeah, check it. What is it? 1,000 baht per night. So they got one room left and we're checking it out now. But I don't know why they not showed it on Agoda and everything else.
Check out your shoe.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah.
So the first choice isn't always the best. The hotel was good, has amazing views, but this is also the boat side where the boat's leaving and arrives departure. And you can't swim over there. Where you can swim is over there. So we're now looking for another spot, maybe a coffee where we can sit down and make a plan. So our accommodation search did not make any progress yet. We're checking on Airbnb, Booking and Agoda. It really isn't that easy. But why was the hotel not good enough, honey? Where we check the room.
Old. We don't have a beach.
We're now checking Airbnb, Booking and Agoda to find a hotel. What is with this one here, honey? This one is right over here.
Verstehe ich jetzt nicht.
That's crazy. So we found this Coco Bella Resort, and on my phone it's saying that it got 206 reviews, 4 stars out of 5, and it costs 1,360 baht. And on Fabienne's phone it says that only 2 reviews, and as you can see on the picture it is completely the same hotel, and here it's saying only 884 baht. It is the same hotel, but completely different in price.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay, so 1.5 hours later, and after some research we found a hotel which we like, and now going there and ask for a price. Just hope that we get a room there. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. No. We just went in, want to ask for the price.
One night.
We want to stay 4 nights or maybe 5 nights. We found it online cheaper for only 800 baht. So we're staying now in the lobby.
80 Euro.
What?
80 Euro.
Yeah, that's a good price. I would.
20 Euro.
Yeah, that's a good price. 20 euros per night is good. So we sitting on the lobby, asked for a room and asked for the price. She told us 1,200 baht, and on my phone it's the same price, but Fabienne can book it cheaper. Huh? It's on the same booking platform, it's on Agoda. But that's totally weird. I mean, when I look on my phone, it's way more expensive, and on your phone it's cheaper. I don't get it. I mean, huh? Have you booked it or? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, perfect.
Thank you. Thank you.
Open cup. So that's it. That's our room for the next 4 nights. So we had to wait 20 minutes until our room was finished, which is now the case. Right over there is already the pool. Somehow the price on Fabienne's phone was much cheaper, so we're paying now here only 21 euros, breakfast already included, and on my phone it showed almost double the price, 38 euros. Everyone got their own little bungalow right over here with its own entrance. You can sit here outside, enjoy some drinks, work at the computer. The pool is right over there as well, and it's a lot going on here. Many young people, we like it. It's really cool, super hotel complex, and I'm already looking forward for the breakfast tomorrow morning. Just hope that I got some vegetarian options. Honey, what are you doing? I just realized after we came into our hotel room that I forgot my sunglasses on the ferry. Honey, I need a new pair of sunglasses.